What's up, everybody? Happy winter. It is February. I did this in January, beginning of January, so over a month. Look at the jacket. I just gave the black one, the Detroit style jacket, a touch-up of wax. This is a bar of wax. I'm going to show you the brand and what bar here in a minute, but this is what it looks like after you just rub it in. Rub it in. Don't be shy. Wanted to give it a touch-up. It already had a layer, small layer from last year. Wait till the end results. Looks super nice, and it doesn't even have its true patina yet. This is just after me drying it and then laying it down. But yeah, you get the idea. I'm just kind of showing you. Usually I put it on my lap on a board, a small board I have, and I just mark it in, rub it in, and a bar does the trick if you don't want to really soak it like I did my other Carhartt jacket in a pint. Go look at that. But yeah, look at the sheen, look at the gloss. And again, this isn't breaking it in. It looks a lot better now that I've been wearing it, and I can't wait to show you the results at the end of the month or at the end of winter, and then I'll show you how it looks next year after it's been sitting for a year. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.